White Bull's Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, barbecue fam. Chris here from White Bull's Barbecue, and today we're doing raspberry Rack City ribs. Yes, St. Louis style ribs, Rack City rub on them, and a raspberry glaze at the end. If you pay attention or you follow my IG, then you already know about this recipe. Well, it's time to break it down. It's seriously something like you've never had before. The raspberry pop is out of this world. The smokiness, everything is on point. So let's jump right into it. I got the Traeger rolling at 250. I dry brine this rack for about a day and a half with Rack City on it, so we should have some great flavor on there. Let's go check it out on the smoker. Let's do the damn thing. Hit that like and subscribe. Comment below and hit that bell, baby. Let's get it. All right, we got half apple juice, half water, and we're gonna spritz these ribs. You're gonna do this once an hour, on the hour, with half apple juice, because it's gonna break down the meat even more, make it more tender, and keep the moisture inside of it. Let's check back in another hour. All right, we're at the 3-hour mark. It's time to spritz this again. This is looking amazing. As you can see, the flavor profile is gonna be insane on these. That Rack City's looking phenomenal. But we're about to make a raspberry glaze for this at the 5-hour mark. And it's gonna take the flavor pop to the next level. Let's go. So we're gonna make a raspberry glaze sauce. We're starting with Walder Farms raspberry fruit spread. Stuff is amazing. And we're using 1/8 of a cup of water, just something to kind of break down the raspberry a little bit. So we'll start with the water. We'll start with 3 scoops of this. We'll call them scoops. 1, a little bit of water came out, but that's all right. 2, and 3 scoops. Right? A little bit of water, a little bit of raspberry. And then we're gonna add some syrup. Probably a couple tablespoons. But you can go as much as you want. It's just gonna help with the consistency. Now we're gonna mix it all up. When it's all said and done, that is what you're looking at. And it's gonna go beautifully on some ribs. Let's do this. off the Traeger, rest them about 5 minutes, and cut them up. All right, guys. So we took this to about 200 degrees. We're about to slice them up. Ooh. Wow, squirted. Wow. Fire. Perfect ribs. Every time. Talk about some amazing ribs, especially if you like raspberry. You can't go wrong with this recipe. Perfectly cooked ribs at 250 for 5 hours, glazed at the end to set in that sauce, and an amazing raspberry pop at the end. Can't beat it, guys. Enjoy this with your family. Comment what you want to see next below. And as always, guys, you know the vibes. The best damn barbecue ever. I'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.
White Bulls Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.